This is a demonstration of a 1998 Evinrude 25 horsepower remote control motor with a long shaft. There is a tiller temporarily installed on this motor only for the purposes of making this video because the boat is not a steering boat. Our steering boat has been sold, so we're demonstrating it on this Starcraft SF14. It's 14 feet 2 inches long, 62 inches wide, and weighs 225 pounds empty. There's gear stowed in the front, one person on board, 3 gallons of gas, and a battery. These are the controls that are temporarily clamped onto the boat. They come with the motor. It has fast idle and neutral, forward and reverse gears. It has a tilt trim control, but that is not a feature that is installed on the outboard. All the cables are in good condition, as are the connectors in very good condition. These connectors are not used for this application, but they're there for various features that could be connected to the outboard. Because this motor is a long shaft on this 15-inch transom boat, it's going to result in a significant drag because there's an extra 5 inches or so hanging in the water that the motor has to overcome. I'm going to start it. This motor idles smoothly and at very low RPM if you want it to. It also propels the boat easily at idle. This will be reverse gear. Neutral. Forward. Runs real nice and smooth at idle. Conditions are calm, very little wind, and the water's like glass. When there's a chop, the boat would run a bit faster. Here we go on full throttle.